Morning. I just thought I'd come on here and talk a little bit about the different terms you get in fashion under the eco umbrella. So, for example, there's zero waste, there's circular, sustainable, ethical, and it can get quite overwhelming. I've been on quite a journey, and I don't see this journey ever ending. A journey of sourcing materials and I'll be going to the Future Fabrics Expo this June in London to see the latest innovations in sustainable materials and production, and to meet key speakers and makers and continue into that community of so another note on creating something which is biodegradable, compostable, is what that material is. So natural fibres are biodegradable, but how have those natural fibres been grown? Organic is a system where minimal chemicals and particular chemicals are eliminated. They're not allowed. When you use an organic body, such as the Global Organic Textile Standard, they cover not just chemicals and farming methods, it also covers ethics. So really, we need to be So in my sourcing, in terms of plastic use, it's really minimal. And if I use a zip, for example, then it is only from recycled plastic. And the reason I'm using it is because A, it's easily removable from a garment, so the garment can then be composted, another type of circularity. It helps to remove plastic from the system, and a zip is something which can be reused. You could even take it out, put it into a new garment, or if broken and unusable, then recycle it back into that plastic circular system. At one point I was looking into threads. You've got to think of every single detail, and I thought the ocean itself provides 40% of the oxygen that we breathe. So that's nearly 1 in 2 breaths. If the ocean dies, if the ocean ecosystem dies, if it suffocates from this plastic and the ecosystem degenerates, then we, us, human beings, as well as the rest of life on planet Earth, lose nearly 1 breath in 2. It's quite terrifying. It's quite overwhelming. There's a circular system for plastic whereby we reuse the plastics which are already in our system. And then when that product ends its life cycle, that plastic is then recycled into new plastic. However, plastic is still in the system, but we've got it in the system and we have got to